Good evening, guys. Raghav, Harshida. Good evening. Hamsini.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, guys. I think shall we move on to the topic? We are discussing yesterday about transformations. Transformations means what kind of topics we are discussing. Yeah, these are the things. Oh, I think we understand how I derived all these formulas. Sin A plus B, sin A minus B, I am taking sin A plus B, adding, subtracting, I will get some set of equations. Cos A plus B, cos A minus B, adding and subtraction, I got some set of equations. Instead of A plus B, if I am taking C, instead of A minus B, if I am taking D, then A is equal to C plus D by 2, B is equal to C minus D by 2, and A plus B is equal to C, and D is equal to A minus B. So I am getting sin C plus sin D is equal to sum of the sums and subtractions. So these are the different set of the formulas we derived yesterday. I think we are almost done with respect to identities type. We done this thing instead of 2 sin x cos x, cos A plus B, cos A minus B, cos A plus B minus cos A minus B, sin A plus B, sin A minus B. Instead of A and B, they took x and y. C, instead of C and D, they took theta and phi. So only the variables are different, rest of all the things are same. Hope you are clear. So shall I go for some examples? Based on the compound angles, we done how to calculate the sin 15 and all the things. Shall we start some numericals based on this, guys?
Yes, sir.
See how to solve this kind of questions. They gave the sum and subtraction. They are asking us in terms of individual angles. It's very simple. First expand. After that, convert everything into sin and cos. That's the logic. Sin of sin A cos B plus cos A sin B divided by sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So I want everything into tans. So what makes everything into tan? Cos x cos y. Divide everything with cos x cos y. Everything with cos x cos y. Divide everything with cos x cos y. So cos x cancel, cos y cancel here, cos x cancelled and cos y cancel. So this will become tan x plus tan y, this is sin y, divided by tan x minus tan y. Simple questions. So when it comes to numericals point of view, we can expect very simple questions. So just go through the example questions also. It's very much important. Anyone having any doubts in the example questions, please let me know. We are moving to the some practical kind of questions like this. Like these questions. So straight away, with the help of the values you have to solve. After this, we are having trigonometric equations. There are 25 questions. Let's see how many questions we can able to solve. Other than this, some more extra questions also we will solve. Yeah. Please solve the first question and check whether you are getting the right answer or not. What is the value of sin pi by 6? Harita? Cos pi by 3 is how much? Tan pi by 4 is how much? Anyone? Guys, please let me know what are the values of these three trigonometric ratio values. Guys, everyone? Hamsini? Harshida? Anyone? Kirtana? Sarvesh? Shriya? Srinidhi? What is the value of sin pi by 6? What is the meaning of sin pi by 6? Guys, please, quick. There, guys.
1/2.
Cos pi by 3.
1/2.
Tan pi by 4 is 1. I'm taking LHS, substituting 1/2 whole square plus 1/2 whole square minus 1 whole square. This is 1/4 plus 1/4 minus 1. This will be 2/4 minus 1. 2 minus 4/4. This is minus 2/4 minus 1/2 is RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. The same way, if I'm taking the second one, guys, what is the value of sin pi by 6? As we discussed, 2 into 1/2 whole square. Then what is the value of cosecant 7 pi by 6? From here we can. So we need the value of sin pi by 6 because it is within the 90 degrees. Straight away I can write 1/2. If I want cosecant 7 pi by 6, how to do this one? I can write this is cosecant pi plus pi by 6. Which quadrant, guys? What is the quadrant? It is in which quadrant?
Third quadrant, sir.
Third quadrant. Third quadrant cosecant is positive or negative? Negative. So minus cosecant pi by 6. So what is the answer? Minus 2. Cos pi by 3. This is 1/2. If I am substituting all the values, 2 into 1/2 whole square plus minus 2 whole square into 1/2 whole square. This will be 2 into 1/4 plus 4 into 1/4. 1/2 plus 1, answer is 3/2. Yes, they are asking us to do, it is 3/2. Same as when it comes to what is the value of cot pi by 6, guys? Cosecant 5 pi by 6 can be written as, what is the value of cot pi by 6? Anthony? Guys, expecting someone can give the cot pi by 6?
Root 3, sir.
Root 3. So cosecant 5 pi by 6 can be written as pi minus pi by 6. This is in second quadrant. In second quadrant, cosecant is positive. So this will be cosecant pi by 6. The value of cosecant pi by 6 is plus 2. Next one is tan pi by 6. What is the value of tan pi by 6? Tan pi by 6 is how much? 1. So if I am substituting all these three values, check whether you are getting 6 or not. This will be cot square pi by 6. Root 3 whole square plus 2 plus 3 into 1 by root 3 whole square. This will be 3 plus 2 plus 3 into 1 by 3. So the answer is 3 plus 2 plus 1. 6 is the RHS. So I'm taking LHS, I'm substituting all the values, and RHS I want the 6. Right. Same as fourth question also. Fourth question is 2 sine square 3 pi by 4, 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 secant square pi by 3 is equal to 10. So sine 3 pi by 4. What is the value of sine 3 pi by 4, guys? Sine of how much? Pi plus pi minus pi by 4. It is in second quadrant. In second quadrant, what is the angle? Plus Sin pi by 4, the answer is 1 by root 2. Cos pi by 4, 1 by root 2. Secant pi by 3. What is the value of secant pi by 3? 2 or 1 by 2? Guys? Yeah. So substituting all these values in LHS, 2 into 1 by root 2 whole square, 1 by 2, plus 2 into 1 by root 2 whole square, 1 by 2, plus 2 into 2 square, 4. So the answer is 1 plus 1 plus 8, so 10. This is my RHS. This is how in a simple manner we can able to solve these kind of questions. Guys, anyone having any kind of clarity or any kind of more explanation from the 4 questions? Please.
Understood, sir.
The next one we already done. Anyone can able to recollect how you done? Who is going to explain how to do the next question? The next one is sin 75. How to do this? How to handle this question? Sin 75. This can be written as sin how much?
45 degree plus 30 degree.
45 plus 30. Correct. This is looking like sin of a plus b. Sin a cos b. Correct.
Plus cos b sin.
Cos a sin b.
So cos a sin.
So sin 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 30 is 1 by 2. From here, this is root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So this is root 3 plus 1 by 2. It's very simple. How you can do tan 45, guys? Students, please. Tan 15. Tan of 45 minus 30. So what is the tan 45 minus 30? Tan 45 minus tan 30 divided by 1 minus tan 45 tan 30.
So 1 plus tan 45 tan 30.
Right, 1 plus. So this is 1 minus 1 by root 3, correct? Divided by 1 plus 1 by root 3. So this is root 3 minus 1 by root 3. Root 3 plus 1 by root 3. So the answer is root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Further, if I want, you can rationalize the denominator and we can express. Still, if we want to reduce to some other simplification, rationalize. Root 3 minus 1 into root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 whole square minus 1 whole square. This will give root 3 square is 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3 divided by 3 minus 1. 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. So 2 minus root 3 is the simplest form of this. Is it clear how to simplify? Again, by rationalizing concepts. Is it clear, guys? So you require some basics calculations. So the trigonometry is only the initial push. Like initially, we are using some concept. Here I am using tan of a plus b, a minus b expansion. Here I am using sin of a plus b expansion. That is only the required for us. Rest of all the thing is based on your mathematical calculation skills, your basics of math. Now, who is going to explain this question? 6th question. Almost all we are having the proofs. Prove that, prove something. These kind of questions. Who is going to explain the 6th question? How to do? Guys? Raghav, Srinidhi, Sarvesh, Puroja, Navya, Kirtana. Guys, how to explain? Taking, he is asking us to prove. I'm taking LHS. Thing is, cos pi by 4 minus x into cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x into sin pi by 4 minus y. If I'm taking a is equal to pi by 4 minus x, b is equal to pi by 4 minus y, let assume
Cos pi by 4 plus x.
cos a, cos b minus sin a, sin b I am getting. So this is cos of a plus b formula. So a and b are my assumptions. So cos of a is how much? Pi by 4 minus x plus pi by 4 minus y. This will be cos of pi by 2 minus of x plus y. It is looking like sin pi by 2 minus theta. Cos pi by 2 minus theta. So this is in second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos is positive. Cos will become as sin. So the final answer is sin of x plus y. We know cos 90 minus theta from the complementary angles concept also sin theta. Sin 90 minus theta can be written as cos theta. With the help of that formula also you can write this expression is simplest form is sin of x plus y. So I'm taking LHS and proving as RHS. Is it clear? Guys? Clear? Move to the next one. We know tan pi by 4 plus x is how much? 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x. Anyone remember this one? Tan pi by 4 minus x is 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. Is asking us to take the ratio of these two. So on LHS, it will be tan of pi by 4 plus x divided by tan of pi by 4 minus x. This is looking like a by b divided by c by d. Say a fraction in numerator and another fraction. It's called complex fraction. Whenever I am having a by b divided by c by d, I can take this as a into d by b into c. Hope you can remember this formula from the concept of fractions. From here, this can be written as 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x into 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x. This results finally 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x whole square. This is my RHS. Hope you are clear, guys.
Sir, can we also do with tan a plus b and tan a minus b formulas?
Yes. That's also you can do. Even this also you can do. You can expand, you can do. Yes, agree. Anybody wants that method, or I can move to the next question? Student, please.
We can move, sir.
Question number 8. Cos of pi plus x into cos of minus x divided by sin of pi minus x into cos of pi by 2 plus x. This is my LHS. So I'm writing all the things separately. Cos pi plus x. This is in third quadrant. Third quadrant cos is negative. So this will be minus cos x. Cos of minus x. Cos of minus x is plus cos x because of even function. Sin of pi minus x. Sin of pi minus x, it is in second quadrant, plus sin will become as sin x. Cos of pi by 2 plus x. Cos pi by 2 plus x is in second quadrant, cos is negative, cos will become as sin x. If I'm substituting all these things in LHS, minus cos x into plus cos x divided by plus sin x into minus sin x. This will be minus cos square x by minus sin square x. The minus minus cancel. This will be tan square x. Simple. Sorry, cot square x. Sorry guys, very much sorry. Cot square x. This is my RHS. Is it clear, guys? So importance of the basics. If you are having the basics, even little bit big questions also we can do it little easy. I'm moving to the next question. Question number 9. Here also. So for convenience, I am taking 3 pi by 2. Yes, instead of convenience, right away I can change it. Cos 3 pi by 2 plus x. What is the 3 pi by 2 value? 270 plus x. 3 pi by 2 plus x is, it is in which quadrant? Fourth quadrant, correct? So in fourth quadrant, cos is positive. Because of multiples of supplement 90s, 3 times 90s, it will become sin x. X1 is cos of 2 pi plus x. So exactly 360 plus theta. Cos 360 plus theta is cos theta. It is in first quadrant. 2 pi will give the same value, so plus cos x. So cot 3 pi by 2 minus x. This is in third quadrant because 270 minus theta. So cot is positive in third quadrant and cot will become as tan here. Next one is cot of 2 pi plus x. This will be cot x because this is in first quadrant. 2 pi plus x will use the same ratio. So cot will be positive cot x in first quadrant. So if I am substituting all these things in LHS. So sin x into cos x, tan x plus cot x. If I am converting everything into sin and cos, sin x into cos x, tan x is sin x by cos x, cot x is cos x by sin x. This will be sin x into cos x. This is sin square x plus cos square x by sin x into cos x after taking LCM. Sin x cos x, sin x cancel. We know very basic identity, sin square x plus cos square x is 1. So this is my RHS. Left hand side is equal to right hand side expression. Is it clear, guys? What is the importance of the quadrants concept? It's clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Next one, question number 10. This is also simple. I am taking n plus 1 into x is a, n plus 2 into x is b. Then how the expression will be converted? This is my assumption. Let a is equal to this much, b is equal to this much. So then LHS will become like this. Sin a cos b, sin a sin b plus cos a cos b. So this expression is for what? Cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. This is, I can write as cos of a minus b. Guys, am I right? You can take like this. Or cos of b minus a, doesn't matter. Cos of a minus b, both are same. So, but a and b are my assumptions. I am resubstituting my assumptions. A is n plus 1 into x. B is n plus 2 into x. This will be cos of nx plus x minus nx minus 2x. Nx cancel. X minus 2x is cos of minus x. Cos of minus x is cos x only. So this is my RHS. Is asking only your LHS is this much, your RHS is cos x. Simple. Hope you are clear how we are doing, how we are solving with the help of what we discussed in last 3 to 4 sessions. What is the importance of discussion? Because here we don't have particular methods or something. Just to the brain, what kind of calculation it is like came into the mind, you can use that strategy and you can able to solve. All are like reasoning based or logical based questions. So let me do the next one, guys. Next set of numericals. Students, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See the question number 12. Question number 12 is asking us to prove LHS and asking us to prove into some RHS value. So how the LHS looks? Sine square 6x minus sine square 4x. So this is looking like a square minus b square. I am writing as sine 6x plus sine 4x into sine 6x minus sine 4x. Is it looking like sine c plus sine d, sine c minus sine d, sine c plus sine d, sine c minus sine d? What is the formula, guys? Sine c plus sine d is how much? What is the value of sine c plus sine d?
Sin c cos d plus sin cos c sin d.
d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Go back and check. Sine c plus d is
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
yeah, here. Sine c minus sine d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 sine c minus d by 2. This is 2 sine c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Two sine c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. For this, 2 cos c plus d by 2 sine c minus d by 2. Now, if I am applying this formula, this is c, this is d. What you will get? 2 sine c plus d by 2 is 6x plus 4x by 2 cos 6x minus 4x by 2 into 2 cos 6x plus 4x by 2, that is 10x by 2 sine 6x minus 4x is 2x by 2. So this is 5 times, this is 1 time, 6 minus 4 is 2x, this is 5 times, this is 1 time. So finally I am getting 2 sine 5x cos x into 2 cos 5x sin x. I am taking 1 sin 5x, 1 cos 5x can be written as 2 sin 5x cos 5x and remaining set 2 sin x cos x. So what is this meaning? This is looking like sin 2x formula. This is theta, this is theta 1, this is theta 2, this is theta 2. So this is sin 2 theta, that is sin 10x into, this is also sin 2 theta 2, that is sin 2x. So the final expression is sin 10x into sin 2x. This is my RHS. So beautifully, simply apply the formulas. What is my requirement? Based on the requirement, I am converting. Hope you are clear. It's clear? Shall I move to the next one?
Yes, sir.
The same way, can you try the next one, guys? The same method, but you have to use cos C plus cos D formula, cos C minus cos D formula. 13th question. Guys, a lot of disturbance. Can you repeat? Somebody is asking something. Please type. I didn't get you anything. Anybody's understood? For me only it is a problem. Cos C plus cos D is how much? Guys, what is the value of cos C plus cos D? Go back your formulas and tell me. Cos C minus cos D is how much?
Sure, 2 cos C plus D by 2 and multiplied by cos C minus D by 2.
2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. This is minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. Do you agree? Yes or correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So this will be 2 cos 8x by 2 cos minus 4x by 2 into minus 2 sin 8x by 2 sin minus 4x by 2. This will be 2 cos 4x, cos of minus value is plus only. This will be minus 2 sin 4x, sin of minus 2x. So 2 cos 4x, cos 2x, minus of minus is plus. This also can be written as 2 sin 4x, sin 2x. I am taking 1, 2, cos 4x and sin 4x can be written as cos 2x, 1, 2 and sin 2x can be written as sin 4x. Like this is 2 sin 4x cos 4x as one expression. Rest of all are one expression. 2 sin 2x cos 2x as another expression. This whole thing can be written as sin 8x. Sin 2 theta formula I am applying here. So this is a final expression. This is your RHS. Anyone having any doubt, please let me know, guys. Otherwise, I will move to the next question. It's clear? Shall I go to the next one?
Yes, sir.
See, the question is, when it comes to question number 14, choosing, selecting the identities, which combination I have to select, that is important. sine 2x plus 2 sine 4x plus sine 6x. But right side I am having sine 4x cos x. So if I am taking 2x, the sum is 8x and half of it is 4x. The subtraction is 4x and half of it is 2x. So it's better to take this 2 as an expression and proceed. Sine 2x plus sine 6x plus 2 sine 4x. This expression I am considering for the solving. This is looking like sine c plus sine d formula. What is the value of sine c plus sine d, guys? 2 sine c plus d by 2 cos
C minus.
c minus d plus 2 sine 4x. So 2 sine c plus d by 2, 2 sine 8x by 2. So this is 2 sine 4x into cos 2x minus 6x by 2. This is cos minus 4x by 2, cos minus 2x plus 2 sine 4x. What I can take common here, guys? I can take common here. I can take 2 sine 4x, 2 sine 4x I can take common. So if I'm taking 2 sine 4x common, cos of minus 2x is cos 2x plus 1. What is the value of 1 plus cos 2x in terms of cos x? 2 sine 4x cos 2x. So if you don't remember how to express in terms of cos, simply expand the cos 2x value. Cos square x minus sine square x. 1 can be written as 1. The value of 1 minus sine square x is cos square x. So this will be 2 sine 4x cos square x plus cos square x. This whole value is cos square x. So again I am getting inside the braces 2 cos square x. So this value is equal to 2 sine 4x into 2 cos square x. The whole expression can be written as 4 cos square x sine 4x. So better observe what is right hand side, proceed accordingly. Pick the trigonometric ratios accordingly. Then beautifully you will get step by step. It's kind of from beginning what you are starting, that is very much important here.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, sine square x plus 1 is cos square x, right, sir?
1 minus sine square x is cos square x. 1 minus sine square x. See, this is looking like minus sine square x plus 1. Can be rewritten as 1 minus sine square x.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Or there is a straight formula is there. Cos 2x can be written as cos square x minus sine square x, or 2 cos square x minus 1, or 1 minus 2 sine square x. If I am using this expression here, what I will get? Cos 2x plus 1 is equals cos square x plus minus 1 plus 1. So cancel. Finally, I am getting 2 cos square x. This is 2 cos square x. Anything, but this is, you have to assume this is like 1 minus sine square x. This whole expression can be written as 1 minus sine square x. 1 minus sine square x is nothing but cos square x. Hope you understood. No confusion. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. We're done. The 15th one. They gave cot 4x into sine 5x plus sine 3x. And they are asking us to prove as something on right hand side. It clearly says we don't have any option. Straight away, we have to use sin c plus sin d formula on LHS. I'm taking LHS and I'm using sin c plus sin d formula. I'm keeping cot 4x as cot 4x. Sin c plus sin d formula is 2 sin 5x plus 3x by 2 cos how much? 5x minus 3x by 2. This will be cot 4x 2 sin 4x into cos x. But what I want on right hand side, it is looking like sin 5x minus sin 3x into cot x. So I'm leaving up to like this. Cot 4x. See, cot 4x can be written as, how to write cot 4x? Sin 4x, sorry. Cos 4x divided by sin 4x into 2 sin 4x cos x. Sin 4x and 4x cancel. Finally, how much it is remaining? 2 cos 4x into cos x. 2 cos 4x into cos x. So you keep the LHS statement is like this and take RHS. What is RHS? Cot x into sin 5x minus sin 3x. Here you can apply sin c minus sin d formula. What is the value of sin c minus sin d? 2. What is the value of sin c minus sin d? 2 cos 5x plus 3x by 2 sin 5x minus 3x by 2. This will be cot x into 2 cos 4x sin x. Because 8x by 2 is 4x, 2x by 2 is x. From here, I can write cot x can be written as cos x by sin x into 2 cos 4x into sin x. Sin cancel. Finally, I am getting this is also 2 cos 4x into cos x. So both LHS, RHS are giving same kind of expression. Suppose if I am unable to move, how to prove exactly the same? Take LHS, conclude one statement, take RHS, conclude to the same statement. If both statements are correct, then you can, that meaning you are proving LHS is equal to RHS. Guys, you hope you are clear about strategy, how I solve this question. Might be you people are having different strategies. I can accept. If you having any other methods, please. Students, anyone having any different methods to approach this question? Students, please respond, guys. Students, you there? I can move to the next one.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. What is the next one? 16th question. Cos 9x minus cos 5x divided by sin 17x minus sin 3x. It's also the straight formulas. He's asking us to prove minus of sin 2x by cos 10x. It clearly shows the right side is having angle single angles. The left side is cos minus cos, sin minus sin with different angles. I am applying cos c minus cos d formula, sin c minus sin d formula with respect to our discussions. Might be in your textbook is different. Cos c minus cos d is how much? What is the value of cos c minus cos d? Minus
2
sin
c
9x plus 5x by 2 sin 9x minus 5x by 2. Am I clear, madam?
Yes,
Correct?
sir.
So at the bottom, sin c minus sin d. 2 cos 17x plus 3x by 2 sin 17x minus 3x by 2. The numerator minus 2 sine 9x plus 5x by 2 is 14x by 2. That is sine 7x. Sine 9x minus 4x by 2 is 4x by 2 sine 2x. Divided by 2 cos 17x plus 3x is 10x by 2. Sorry, 20x by 2, that is 10x. Sine 17 minus 3 is 14x by 2, that is 7x. Sine 7x cancel, 2 cancel. Finally remaining is minus sine 2x by cos 10x. Simple question. Is it clear? Hope you are clear, guys.
Yes, sir.
The next one. Same. Sine 5x plus sine 3x divided by cos 5x plus cos 3x. I'm taking LHS. So in the numerator, I have to apply sin C plus sin D. 2 sine 5x plus 3x by 2 cos 5x minus 3x by 2 divided by cos C plus cos D. So this is 2 cos 5x plus 3x by 2 cos 5x minus 3x by 2. So straight away I'm cancelling cos 5x minus 3x by 2, same expression. This will become 2 cancel. So tan of how much? 5x plus 3x is 8x by 2. This is tan 4x is my RHS. Yes, I can move to the next one. 18th question.
Yes, sir.
Same. Sin x minus sin y. Sin C minus sin D. 2 cos x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2. Cos x plus cos y. This is cos C plus cos D. 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. I'm taking the ratio. 2 cancel, cos x plus y by 2 cancel. So sin x minus sin y divided by cos x plus cos y will be equal to tan of x minus y by 2. So this is LHS and I'm proving is equal to RHS as shown in the as given in the question. So only the thing is understanding how the expression is changing one form to another form based on major practice. Which formula will be suitable here? How to apply? What kind of combination I have to take? This is important. When it comes to question number 19, sin x plus sin 3x divided by cos x plus cos 3x. This is also same method. Is equal to tan 2x. So I'm taking LHS. The numerator sin C plus sin D formula. Sin C plus sin D. 2 sin 4x by 2 cos minus 2x by 2 divided by cos C plus cos D. 2 cos 4x by 2 cos minus 2x by 2. So cos minus 2x by 2, cos minus 2x by 2 cancel, 2 cancel. So I'm getting tan of 4x by 2. That is nothing but tan 2x. Question number 20. Same method. Sin x minus sin 3x divided by sin square x minus cos square x. What is the value of sin square x minus cos square x, guys? Or I am multiplying with -1 on both sides. So the numerator will become sin 3x minus sin x. The denominator will come as cos square x minus sin x, sin square x. The value of sin 3x minus sin x looking like sin c minus sin d. 2 cos 4x by 2 sin 2x by 2. 3x minus x is 2x. This will be, it's a combination of cos square x minus sin square x is cos 2x formula. This will be 2 cos 2x sin x divided by cos 2x. So the final answer is 2 sin x. So the denominator is purely direct formula you can apply here. So I am taking LHS. I am proving as RHS. Hope you are clear, guys, how I am doing. If you observe, with the discussions, these 20 questions we done hardly within 60 minutes. That is the power of practice. I can say the shortcut is practicing different set of questions. You explore the books, go for NCERT, go for different session or wherever worksheets you are getting. Don't do a single question n number of times. Only the practice is the same question. Instead of doing the same question again and again, you have to pick the question little bit challenging and you try to solve those questions. And how many questions are remaining, guys? Still we can do 1 or 2 questions. These 5 questions we can continue in the next class. So far, all these questions, anyone having any doubts or any kind of discussions you want to do? Any kind of discussions, like any kind of suggestions, like you feel somewhere, sir, I am struggling at this point, anywhere, guys? Anyone wants to discuss anything based on this exercise? Because mostly I felt in many batches trigonometry means they're feeling little uncomfortable. They feel little tough, so many formulas, so much of discussion, sir, like that. But I don't think so this batch will be like that. Anyone having any doubts so far? Shall I wind up the session? Raghav?
Sir, it is clear, sir.
Yeah, we'll close the class. We'll meet in the next class. Might be this week we are having one more extra session. From the
Okay, sir.
academy, you will get the message. Bye, guys. We'll meet in the next class.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Come on.